Groundhog Day. It's 6:19. They just opened the gates here to Dauset Trails. We're right on time. I've not been here before the gates open, but it's going to be a big crowd. It's a warm morning. It's a weekend. Let's get ready for Groundhog Day 2025 next on Adventures by D. Big crowd to see Beau. Beau knows. Will he see his shadow or not? Welcome back to Adventures by D, one of my favorite vlogs, Madison. What's our adventure today?
Today's Groundhog Day.
It's Groundhog Day. Rise and shine, campers. Make sure you get those booties on because it's cold outside. Where are we today, Madison? Because it's Groundhog Day.
Dauset Trails.
Dauset Trails to see General Beau. Will he see his shadow today? What do you think, Madison?
Yeah.
Yeah, Madison said yes, so it won't be in early spring. Stay tuned to Adventures by D. We're going to bring all the groundhog action today. Groundhog Day! Let's do this.
It's Groundhog Day.
It's still just once a year, isn't it?
We just checked out the merch, Madison. You're going to see my shirt later. I have Dark Side of the Groundhog on. They also had stuffed animals and some hats. And it's going to be a big crowd. I mean, it's barely 6:30 and we're 4 people deep around the fence to see Beau. So we'd rather go back and get our spot. And there's donuts here or lemonade or what is that? They've got the music going and they've got the slideshow going as usual. All right, we're going back to our spot. We'll show you guys some of the animals, and festivities will start as the sun starts to come up here in about 45 minutes. It's Maddie's first Groundhog Day.
Good morning once again. This is our 44th annual weather proclamation by General Beauregard Lee. Let's give him a round of applause. Let's go. My name is Ike English. I'm the director out here at Dauset Trails. I want to thank everybody for coming. This is a big day for us. A lot goes on to get this stuff done. All right. I think we've got about 1 more minute and then we're going to get this show right. Everybody ready? Let's give Beau 1 more round of applause before we get going. All right, I think we're ready. Let's get him up. Let's see if we can rile him up. Let's play some music.
Comes.
He's checking it out. I think he sees his hash browns. There he is. Good morning, Beau. Seems pretty chill this morning. Let's see what he has to say. All right, this was delivered to me, and it's muddy as usual with Mud splatters on it. Let's see what it says. It says, "Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now this second day of February 2025, I, General Beauregard Lee, Pontificator of the South, Meteorological Marmot, and Gentleman's Gentleman, will make this 44th annual weather declaration from 101 Whistle Pig Way, Dauset Trails Nature Center, Jackson, Georgia. Well, 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 it's that time once more for me to peek from my cozy door. I've been resting down in my burrow so deep while you've been watching, waiting, and losing sleep. I love pool parties and swimming and getting a tan. But I also love ice fishing, hot chocolate, and making a snowman. We've had snow from here to the beach. It's been an interesting winter for this Georgia peach. I've referred to the almanac, observed the hairs on a caterpillar's back. Last fall's persimmons had spoons. I've watched the clouds and I've studied the moon. I know you're ready for warmth and cheer, but you've got to hang on just a little longer, my dear. I'm not joking or kidding or making a bluff. 6 more weeks of the wintry stuff. This prediction I write with my little paw. 6 more weeks of winter for my shadow I saw. All right, that's it. That's the proclamation. I think we're going to take his word for it. Don't kill the messenger. I think that's mud. He always gets mud on it.
It's in there. He's chunky.
Maddie, you were right. You saw a shadow.
Yeah?
Oh my goodness, good call. What'd you think of your first Groundhog Day?
That was really short.
It's short?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Maddie, wow, 6 more weeks of winter. I didn't see that coming, did you?
Yeah.
You did? You predicted it, that's right. What'd you think of Groundhog Day 2025 here at Dauset Trails Nature Center?
Good.
It's actually not too cold. I know I got a winter hat on. It's in the 40, 45. It's supposed to get up to 60, but it wasn't too bad at all, though. I enjoyed it. It's always a great time. If you have a chance to come down here any February 2nd, 7:30, down here in Jackson, Georgia, I recommend it. And Maddie, until our next Groundhog adventure,
May the
adventures be with you.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Ringing a bell.
so you'll be notified of our next upload. And as always, may the adventures be with you.